Well, we aren't asleep on video because that would be beside the point.
A different type of videos.
We're not doing those.
No, we're not. At least at this point.
No, never.
Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie. Welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What are we doing tonight?
We are making another in our sort of tofu series.
Yeah.
Mongolian non-beef using soy curls.
Yes.
You won't even know the difference.
No, soy curls are awesome. We've used them before.
They're very versatile. They come dehydrated. You rehydrate them with whatever seasoning, flavor you want, and then you can cook them a variety of ways. So this will be a new way for us that we haven't done, which is that we're frying them before we sauce them. Yeah, we're going to rehydrate them. We're going to coat them in cornstarch, fry them quickly, let them drain, and then cook the sauce, and then coat them in the sauce as you would cook Mongolian beef. And we'll see how it turns out because we've never done this before.
We haven't. And contrary to when we were researching this, and there was a blog that we saw this this reel, or I think it's like Walk for Life or something, just to give them credit.
Like WOK, Walk for Life?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, that would make sense.
Yes.
Because it's Mongolian beef.
Yeah. But I mean, it was totally meat-based, and we're not. And so it's like,
we're converting it, because that's what we do.
Let's find a recipe, and let's make it our own, and make it a way that we can eat it. So that's what we did. But Mongolian beef, I don't know if you realize this, I didn't. It was like a Taiwanese dish. It wasn't Mongolian at all. It was like in terms of Mongolia. It was actually, it originated in Taiwan. And when I saw that, I was like, stop, what? And I did that voice and everything.
Really?
So,
that loud?
I did. It was my Peter Brady voice.
Okay.
So
he's practicing continually.
Anyway, let's make some Mongolian
non-beef
with soy curls.
Yes. All right.
Okay,
let's
here we go.
So to make our vegan Mongolian beef, we are actually going to be using soy curls tonight. So we have to rehydrate them. So in addition to the boiling water, we're going to also use some soy sauce and some cooking sherry to start to build those layers of flavor. We're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to drain it off. After all the water has been drained off, we're going to get these into a bowl, and we're going to coat them with cornstarch because we're going to fry these up so that they get nice and crispy. Next, we're going to get our soy curls into a pan with some hot oil and get those nice and crispy. With these crispy edges, they're really going to do a great job of holding on to all that sauce that we're going to be making here shortly. Let's get our sauce started for these Mongolian soy curls. To start with, we're going to add in our ginger and our dried chili peppers. Cook those for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're really fragrant. Then we're going to add in our chopped garlic along with the white part of the green onion. Cook that for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to add in our soy sauce to kind of deglaze the pan. Bump up the temperature just a little bit to get that to a low boil. Next, we're going to add our cornstarch slurry into the sauce to kind of thicken it up. Just add a little bit at a time. A little bit goes a long way. Once that starts to thicken up, we're going to add our soy curls in along with the green part of the green onion. Really stir that up to get it well combined, and then let that cook so all the flavors come together. The sauce and the soy curls are ready, and this looks delicious. It really thickened up nicely. The soy curls are completely coated, which is what we were hoping for. Next, we're going to get this onto a bed of rice so we can try it.
We have Mongolian beef, but it's not beef.
Mongolian not beef.
Right. This looks like something you'd order at a Chinese restaurant.
It's so dark, you can't tell the soy curls from the sauce.
Yeah.
But it smells like
it does.
Yummy Mongolian. Oh.
I'm just kidding.
You can't eat with chopsticks anyway.
I can't. So, okay.
No.
So let's try
we just have it with rice and some snap peas.
And I will admit, I didn't try this as I was cooking it, which I normally do.
Ooh, that's good. It's very rich.
It's like deep and like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black sesames. I'm just gonna try some. Whoops, that didn't work out very well.
So we throw some black sesames on there as well.
I like it.
But
Did you pick out the peppers, or am I? Oh, I see a pepper there.
Yeah, I left the peppers.
Don't eat the peppers.
Yeah,
apparently.
don't leave the pepper. Don't eat the peppers. But
You can't even see them. That's why you're supposed to pluck them out.
You told me to leave them in.
Oh, well, I didn't realize it was going to be this dark. So soy curl.
That is really good. We've used soy curls for a lot of recipes. Wow. The spice. Call 911.
You're fine. Don't say that.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm okay.
That's good.
But we've never fried them like that.
No,
So we've never got them super crispy. Super.
You said, well, never mind.
I did.
You did.
I probably said it a couple times.
Probably.
I'm gonna have a snow pea to make it a healthy dinner.
Yeah, you got to balance it with
Oh,
some.
this is really yummy. This is really yummy. Butler Foods, that's where we get our soy curls.
They're amazing.
We buy them. They don't support us at this point.
Think of all the sauces you could do with the
But
whole.
you could really, General Tso's
They had
and Mongolian.
flavor, but I just want to say they had flavor coming out of the rehydration marinade.
Because of what we did, yes.
Right, and then draining them, coating them.
Yeah.
They were very crispy coming out of the oil, got a chance to drain, and then...
Yeah, this
This is
turned out
good.
really well.
This is good.
Yeah. So,
Faux beef?
yeah, faux
sorry.
beef. I was just gonna say, if you make this, let us know. I mean, we hear from some people that they're gonna make our stuff, and they
You
don't
gotta tell us how it turns out.
Yeah, and they don't go to the hospital, so you're okay.
Oh my God. Nobody has gone to the hospital after cooking this food.
I know.
That's the point. You eat vegetables and
It's all in jest. If you haven't watched enough of our videos and figured out that I'm a moron, you probably should clue in. So, anyway, hope you've enjoyed watching this, and go out and get some soy curls and experiment like we do. Yeah.
Be kind
Eat pizza.
with plants.
See ya. Thanks for watching.